In programming, a variable is a storage location paired with associated symbolic name, which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. In simple terms, think of variables as containers that hold information. Their sole purpose is to label and store data in memory. These data can be used in your program. Here is an example of variable declaration in Python. Okay, in our example, x is a variable and we have assigned to it value 10. We can check that by using print function. Right-click on our variable script and run variable. And yes, we can see that x value contains 10.